Greetings, this is another garden update. It's around middle of May. It's probably a little late to get some of these started, but c'est la vie. What I've done is I've cut paper towels in half, and I put seeds in a row in the sandwich of the paper towel, and I've repeated that for my chard, basil. This one is my tomato, it got turned over. Tomato, lettuce, and peas. And what I'll do, I've taken some of this VF11 for plants, seems like magic. These are probably more for, this probably is more for plants that have already started, but I don't have any other stuff, so I'm going with what I got, which is what you should do if you want to get started gardening. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm just wetting the paper towels. I put maybe 3 or 4 drops of this of the grow stuff into the water here, and I'm just going to moisten the towels a little bit. I was afraid of that. My ink is gonna dry or bleed, so I'm gonna have to get some more permanent marking tools. And what I'm doing now is just moistening the paper, and just finish our radish. And in a couple of days, depending on the species, I will have seedlings beginning, so that these will seed in their little safety, the safety of their water and of light. Let's go take these and put them underneath the light. Now this is just a standard 100-watt light bulb, mosquito, and my tomatoes, I'm almost going to wipe out this particular bag of tomatoes. I think they were too old. However, my onions have done quite well relative to the tomatoes. Let's see if we can see. There we go. You can see the roots there, yeah? Almost all of them have begun rooting. So I'll probably plant these tonight, maybe give them another day or so, but not too much longer. And I'll leave them there until they begin sprouting, and at which point, so all of these will go underneath the light. I've got another light set up, but just as proof that this particular process works, I'll show you my broccoli, which I did the same thing. We'll zoom in through the cage here. I got the cage to keep the squirrels out. You can see that green patch right there? That's broccoli that I planted. There's some more. Let's see if it focuses. It's not going to focus on me, is it? But anyway, some of that green in there is broccoli. Right there, that's a patch of broccoli. Some of the other patches of green are from the orange blossoms that are falling down. So there it is. In principle, it should work. In principle, it appears to be working here. So we just cross our fingers and keep it moist, and hopefully in 6 weeks I'll have lots of broccoli and okra and more radish. These are all my spinach. You've already seen these though, if you've seen the earlier videos. Alright, thanks for watching, and happy gardening.